Welcome to Skillfold, and thank you for taking time out of your day to make something beautiful out of paper. Today we're making a very simple and easy corner bookmark, and I like to use this to just remind myself where I left off when I was reading a book, and they're so quick to make and I think look pretty cool and neat. You can use smaller pieces of paper to make the bookmark smaller, but I'll be using a square piece of paper that's a little bit bigger today to make it easier to see. When you have your square piece of paper, just follow along and I hope you enjoy. And there it is, the simple paper corner bookmark. It's that easy, you can make it in under a minute, and I'll show you how it looks in a book. Take in one of the books I've been reading and find a page. Let's say you left off over here. What you'll do is just slide it in. And that way you remember where you left off. And it looks pretty neat once you have it there as a bookmark. So next time you're reading, you can just find where you left off and you can continue reading. So if you enjoyed that one, give it a thumbs up, subscribe and leave a comment below, and I'll see you in the next video.